Alright, statistics for moves 6 to 9 based on over 10 million games. The evaluation is C. Store.
E5.
G3.
Knight C6.
Bishop G2.
D6.
Knight C3.
Bishop E6.
Queen A. Store.
Queen D7.
Knight D5.
G6.
B. Store.
Bishop G7.
B5.
Knight D8.
Well, B1.
Knight E7.
Knight captures on A7.
Queen captures on E7.
B6. Check.
Queen D7.
Queen captures on D7. Check.
King captures on D7.
B captures on C7.
King captures on C7.
D3.
Knight C6.
Knight F3.
H6.
A. Store.
A6.
A. Store.
Rook HB8.
Bishop A3.
B6.
Well, B2.
Bishop D7.
King A2.
Rook B7.
Knight D2.
Rook AB8.
Well, A1.
H5.
H. Store.
F5.
Knight B3.
F4.
Bishop D2.
F captures on G3.
F captures on G3.
Rook F8.
Bishop A3.
Knight D8.
Knight D2.
Knight E6.
Knight B1.
Knight D4 check.
Bishop captures on D8 sword.
Bishop G4 check.
King A1.
E captures on D4.
Knight D2.
Bishop E5.
Knight F1.
Bishop D7.
Rook A2.
Rook B8.
Rook F2.
A5.
Bishop F3.
Rook F7.
Bishop G2.
Rook Bf8.
Rook captures on F7.
Rook captures on F7.
Rook A1.
King C6.
Rook A2.
King C5.
Rook A1.
Rook F6.
Rook A2.
King B4.
Rook B2 check.
King C3.
Rook captures on B6.
King captures on D3.
Rook A6.
King C3.
Rook captures on A5.
D3.
C5.
Bishop captures on G3 check.
Knight captures on G3.
D2 check.
King D1.
Bishop G4 check.
Knight A2 check.
King, d3.
If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.